Hey guys, it's Morgan with Revant Optics, and today I wanted to walk you through the process of ordering yourself a new pair of prescription lenses without even having to leave the comforts of your own home. It's a super simple process. All you need is your phone and your glasses. So let's get to it. Begin by heading to revantoptics.com/prescription and then click Begin Process. Then you just select your prescription type, single or progressive, and choose your lens type or color, clear, sun, or transition. All of Revant's lenses are made from polycarbonate, and then you can choose between standard and premium coatings. Now I just quickly attach a photo of my prescription and then describe my frames, add to cart, and check out. Revant will send me a box and then take care of the rest.